back to another episode of Elite Sports Physical Therapy's Sports Medicine Minute. We're going to continue our stretching series today to make sure you get proper technique when you perform flexibility exercises you may have been recommended by a friend, personal trainer, physical therapist, or doctor. For our first episode, we reviewed the hamstring stretch. Today, we're going to talk about another important muscle, the quadriceps. For those that lack flexibility in this muscle, they often complain about knee pain with activities like going up the stairs, running, or even jumping.
To properly stretch muscles, remember you must keep one end fixed. If both ends are moving, you won't get a very good stretch. So you need to lock down one end while the other end moves to get the best one. With quadriceps, we see people do this quite often. What you see here is excessive arching of the back. If you're moving at the back and tilting at the pelvis, you're not isolating the stretch of the quadriceps. So if you're going to do the stretch the quad, keep your back straight, contract your abdominals, and pull the heel back towards your glute. Then extend from the hip. If your quads are too tight and you can't grab your heel, you can modify by putting your foot up on a bench or a chair. The same principles apply for the trunk. Keep your core tight, back straight. You can also bend your opposite leg to get a better stretch, or even raise the height of the bench or the chair. For those that have back pain and need to be a little more careful, you can safely do the same stretch lying on your stomach. You can place a pillow under your stomach so it doesn't arch. Then reach back for your ankle and try to bring the heel towards the glute. If you're too tight, you can use a strap around the ankle to assist. The stretch should be primarily felt in the quadricep. If you feel it in the knee, then we can take up some slack from the upper end of the quadricep. Slide towards one end of the table and place the foot on the floor. Now try to stretch on the leg that is on the table to get the quad more flexible. Hope these tips help you understand how to properly stretch your quads. If you want to find out more about Elite Sports Physical Therapy and our services, check us out at www.espt-ca.com.